Wow, you have your three images. As you can see here, I have three images, and I've cut out my three images. Now that you have cut out your three images, we have to be able to put them together in a collage. We're going to do that by putting them around a central image, which we're going to call our dominant image. And when I was searching, I was looking for something that I could use, that I could center my characters around. And I thought, why not a mountain? So I'm going to use a mountain. Your dominant image will be the central focus of your piece. All the other images will wrap around or go around your dominant image. So how do you know you have a good dominant image? Well, first it needs to be large, and it needs to be higher resolution so that it is not pixelated. It also needs to be an image that can be cut out or blended to your background easily. It doesn't have to relate, but that would be great. Your dominant image could be a road sign, could be an object from nature like a mountain, it could be an urban image like buildings, it could be an object like a computer. Any image that you can use where you could build around will work as a dominant image. Now that you found your, it's time to sketch. The idea is to sketch your dominant image in the center of your paper and then decide where your different objects that you have cut out are going to go. So sketch around and see what works best for your layout. You can see from this example here, I decided to put the runner at one of the tips of the mountain with the Colosseum at the back and the printer in the front. You can have more than one image be your dominant image. Maybe you're going to have a cityscape. Well, if you're going to do that, you're going to have to go and find several different buildings to put them together to create a collage for a dominant image. And you can see that from the example here. You can also find a tree or an object, a single object, and place them around the dominant image, as you can see in the sketch with the tree. Here's my mountain. Now, mountains, of course, don't cut easily at either end, and so that's why we have some straight lines. One of the things that you can do with your dominant image is you can blend out the edges, as you can see here. I've taken out chunks of the image so that it blends to the background. Another aspect in design is you can change the color component. And here I've used my layer adjustments, and I've now made a duotone where I've changed it to a brown color. Let's look at it in action. And you can see the mountain here where it's brown, fades out in the edges so that the other objects come into focus. For your dominant image using the same sites as before, thinking of your dominant image as the central image that everything is going to circle around. Remember, your dominant image needs to be the central focus where you're going to build around. On our next tutorial, I'll show you how to start placing using the golden mean or the rule of thirds.